What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth Cuisine. So Paramount Plus is finally releasing the SpongeBob movie, SpongeBob on the Run, for people in America, as well as releasing the new SpongeBob prequel series. So it is a great time right now to be a SpongeBob fan. And to celebrate, I thought I'd show you all how to make a vegan Krabby Patty. This recipe I came up with is based on the recipe in the Secret SpongeBob Recipe Cookbook. But, as I said, we'll be making it vegan. And for this recipe, you will need 2 tablespoons of vegan tartar sauce, 2 tablespoons of chopped celery, and 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, 1 can of hearts of palm, and 1 can of chickpeas, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and half a teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, some kind of oil to cook with, at least 4 sesame seed buns, half a cup of breadcrumbs or stuffing, and we also have some chopped red onions, some sliced tomatoes, and some lettuce, as well as some mustard and ketchup. All right, let's put all this together. All right, here we have our vegan Krabby Patty. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like in this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.